Hi everyone, I'm Bob Grip. Welcome to the 2016 season of HiQ, sponsored by New Horizons Credit Union. Welcome to the 8th match of the year, featuring students from LeFlore, BC Rain, and the home team, Murphy. The questions you're going to hear this morning are prepared in 16 categories by educators throughout the country who are all experts in their fields. They try to make the questions equally challenging. So here's how the points are rewarded. In a regular category, each team will receive its own question in that area. The teams will then have 15 seconds and 4 opportunities to answer. A correct answer on the first try is worth 4 points. Each time an incorrect answer is given, it's worth 1 less point. And if a team misses it entirely, either of the other 2 teams up here can gain 1 point with a correct answer. I'll explain some of the other scoring as we go on. We always start with some questions in current events. Good luck, team. Score as many points as you can. Here is your question. Rolling Stone magazine recently printed an interview with the drug lord Joaquin Guzman. And what Academy Award-winning actor?
Sean Penn.
That's right, 4 points. BC Rain, give the name of the mosquito-borne virus which has been linked to birth defects in pregnant women. The virus has been found in Houston and in Santa Rosa County, Florida.
Zika virus.
That's right, 4 points. LeFlore, an estimated 65,000 pounds of methane gas per hour is spilling from a 7-inch hole in the ground, forcing thousands of people to flee their homes and polluting the climate. In which U.S. state is this leak?
Michigan.
Try again.
Delaware.
Try again.
California.
Yes, 2 points. Very good. Back to our home team now for some questions in American history. President Abraham Lincoln unofficially offered this general command of the Northern armies, but he chose to stay loyal to his native Virginia. Give the full name of this general.
Robert E. Lee.
That's right, 4 points. Ray, your question. At the beginning of the Civil War, Southerners counted on a European nation's need for cotton to enter the war on the southern side. Give the name of this nation.
Britain.
What was it again?
Britain.
Britain, that's right, 4 points. All right, LeFlore. Taking advantage of the U.S. Civil War, France dispatched an army to occupy Mexico City in 1863. Give the full name of the French leader who ordered this army to be dispatched.
Marquis de Lafayette.
Try again.
Charles de Gaulle.
Try again. Okay, Murphy.
Napoleon.
Sorry. BC Rain. No, I needed Emperor Napoleon III. Third. No points. Biology is the topic. Back to Murphy. Give the name of the structure that holds replicated chromosomes together before cell division.
Centromere.
That's right, 4 points. BC Rain, your question. Identify the phase of cell division during which replicated chromosomes align at the center of the cell along an imaginary plane that divides the cell in half.
Metaphase.
Correct. 4 points. LeFlore. Identify the phase of cell division during which cytoplasm is divided and the cell is cleaved into roughly equal halves by a cleavage furrow in animal cells and a cell plate in plant cells.
Anaphase.
Try again.
Prophase.
Try again.
Telophase.
Try again.
Centrophage.
Nope. Teams wait for the buzzer. Don't buzz in early. Murphy?
Cytokinesis.
Yes, cytokinesis is right. Now we're going to ask a question in sports. 4 points for a correct answer, and it's a toss-up question. So teams, hands on your buzzers. As soon as you think you know the answer, buzz in. This Irish golfer asserted himself as the world's #1.
Rory McIlroy.
That's right, Rory McIlroy. Didn't take long at all. All right, next topic is literature. Back to our home team. In Kurt Vonnegut's short story titled Harrison Bergeron, because the authorities wanted to hide his good looks, the HG men required Harrison Bergeron to wear a rubber ball on his nose the day he appeared on television with the ballerinas. Give the color of this rubber ball.
Red.
Correct, 4 points. BC Rain. At the conclusion of Edith Wharton's short story titled The Pelican, give the name of the U.S. city in which Mrs. Amyot's adult son and his family reside.
Albany,
Try again.
St. Louis,
Try again.
Sacramento,
Try. Nope. LeFlore.
New Orleans,
No. Murphy.
Boston.
No. Minneapolis. That was what we needed. LeFlore, your question. In Mark Twain's short story titled The 1 Million Pound Banknote, give the first name of the woman in England with whom the narrator falls in love and plans to marry.
Elizabeth,
Try again.
Margaret,
Try again.
Mary,
Try again. Murphy?
Patricia.
No. BC Rain?
Michelle,
No, it was Portia. Portia. No points on that. All right, time to change the rules a little bit and ask some questions in math. In math, each team gets its own question, and every team gets a copy of every question for possible bonus points. You have 60 seconds to answer these math questions, which today happen to be in geometry. So, first question goes to Murphy. Everyone open your yellow math envelopes, please. A trapezoid has vertices at the points V, 0, 0, A, 3M, 0, B, 2MN, C, MN, so that V to A to B to C to V transverses the trapezoid in counterclockwise direction. We assume M and N are positive integers. What is the area in square units of the trapezoid? Answer is an integer in terms of M and N, and sketch the trapezoid. Thirty seconds left. Ten seconds for Murphy.
12M.
Say it again.
12M.
Sorry. BC Rain or LeFlore? Buzz in if you know the answer. No, it's 2MN. That's what we needed. BC Rain, this is your question. Everyone open your red math envelopes. Circles C and C prime are concentric, and the perimeter of C prime is 5 times the perimeter of C. The area of C prime will then be K times the area of C. What is the value as an integer of K? Thirty seconds for BC Rain. Ten seconds.
14,
Sorry. All right, LeFlore.
25.
That's right. Very good. Okay, LeFlore, here is your math question. Everyone open your blue math envelopes. In the triangle ABC, the point D on side AB between the vertices, so that segments CA and CD have the equal length. Suppose, in addition, segments AD and DB have the same length, and the area of triangle ABC is 44 square units. What is the area in square units of triangle ACD? Thirty seconds for LeFlore.
22.
That's correct. 4 points. Good job. All right, back to some 15-second questions now. Topic is Shakespeare. Back to our home team. In Act 1, Scene 2 of Hamlet, the characters Cornelius and Voldemort are given dilated articles to be delivered to an important but bedridden foreign noble. Give the name of this foreign ruler.
Old Fortinbras?
Try again.
Horatio?
Try again.
Gertrude?
Try again.
Claudius?
No. Teams, wait for the buzzer if you'd like to answer. LeFlore.
Cornelius.
No. BC Rain. No. It's Fortinbras' uncle named Norway. No points. BC Rain. Give the name of the character from Julius Caesar who speaks these lines from Act 3, Scene 2. As Caesar loved me, I weep for him. As he was fortunate, I rejoice at it. There is death for his ambition.
Brodus.
That's right, 4 points. LeFlore. In Act 2, Scene 1 of A Midsummer Night's Dream, Helena pursues a man who loves her not. Give me the name of this man. BC Rain buzzed in too early. Murphy.
Lysander.
No. Go ahead.
Demetrius.
Demetrius is right. 1 point for BC Rain. All right, geography is a topic. Back to Murphy. The northeastern coast of Russia and the eastern coast of the Kamchatka Peninsula lie on the shores of a large sea. This sea is a northern extension of the Pacific Ocean. Give the name of this sea.
Caspian Sea?
Try again.
Caucasus Sea.
Try again. Okay, LeFlore.
The Bering Sea.
Yes, 1 point. BC Rain, your question. The capital of Turkmenistan is located less than 20 miles from Iran's border. Give the name of this capital city.
Baghdad.
I couldn't hear you, sorry.
Baghdad.
No. Okay, LeFlore.
Astana.
No. Murphy?
Bazarbad?
No. Ashgabat. That's what we needed. LeFlore, your question. A string of islands bordering the Pacific Ocean lies between the Kamchatka Peninsula and northern Japan. Although Russia seized these islands after World War II, Japan still claims ownership of them. Give the name of these islands.
East Andes?
I couldn't hear you.
The East Andes?
No, try again.
Midway Islands.
No. No. Try again. Nope. Okay, Murphy or BC Rain? No. Look, BC Rain.
Easter Islands.
Say it again.
Easter Islands.
No. Murphy? Curl Islands. Kuril. All right. Halfway through the competition, LeFlore has 8, BC Rain has 17. Murphy is in the lead with 21 points.
Need a loan for a newer used car, truck, RV, ATV, or even home? A credit union's the way to go. We're New Horizons Credit Union, the largest local credit union in Southwest Alabama, where your deposits help a neighbor purchase a car or home. It goes right back into our local economy. So if you live, work, worship, or go to school in Southwest Alabama, don't send your money to Mississippi or Florida. Go local. Join New Horizons Credit Union. We have roots here, not just branches.
We'll start the second half with some questions now in chemistry. Good luck, teams. Murphy, here's your question. State the name of the acid composed of 1 atom of hydrogen, 1 atom of chlorine, and 4 atoms of oxygen.
Hydrochloric acid.
Try again.
Hydrochlorate.
Try again. BC Rain or LeFlore?
Hydrochloric texture oxide.
Sorry, BC Rain. No. Perchloric acid is what we needed. BC Rain, your question. State the name given to the SI unit of pressure.
Joules.
Try again.
Mass per kilogram squared.
Sorry. Murphy?
Pascal.
Right. Very good. 1 point. LeFlore, give the charge on 1 arsenate ion in atomic units.
-1.
Try again.
-2.
Try again.
-3.
Yes. Very good. 2 points. Our topic is art history now. Back to Murphy. This artist started drawing as a child in Venezuela. Later, he pursued an active artistic life in France. During his career, he produced many paintings of rural landscapes and urban views. One wintry urban view can be seen in his painting titled The Outer Boulevards, Snow. Give the last name of this artist.
Ballier.
Try again. BC Rain.
Malay.
No, sorry. LeFlore.
Matisse.
No, Pissarro. Camille Pissarro. BC Rain. In one self-portrait, Gustave Courbet is seen as a young man sitting on a hilltop wearing khaki-colored pants, a silk-lined cape, and a broad-brimmed hat. Give the color of the dog sitting beside Courbet in this self-portrait.
Black.
Correct, 4 points. LeFlore. The painting titled The Blue Room depicts a young girl sitting in one of 4 living room club chairs that are all covered with the same elegant light blue floral material. Give the last name of the American Impressionist who painted this work.
O'Keeffe.
Try again. Murphy or BC Rain? Murphy?
Manet.
No. BC Rain?
Picasso.
No, it was Mary Cassatt. No points on art history. All right, now we're going to ask some questions in team choice. Before the match began, each team chose the topic it wanted to be quizzed on. 4 points for a correct answer. And keep in mind, teams, if I rule the original team's answer wrong, because there's only one answer, you can earn 2 points instead of 1. So, Murphy, you chose American history. Again, just one answer, please. A rebellion in 1831 sent a wave of hysteria over the cotton fields. A growing number of slave owners slept with pistols by their pillows. Give the last name of the leader of this rebellion.
Turner.
That's right, Nat Turner. BC Rain, you chose geography. Again, just one answer, please. A delta formed by the Lena River spills into the sea on the central Siberian coast. Give the name of this sea.
Caspian Sea.
Sorry, Murphy or LeFlore. If you know it, buzz in. LeFlore.
The Aral Sea.
Sorry, Murphy.
The Bering Sea.
No, the Laptev Sea is what we needed. No points on that. LeFlore, you chose literature. One answer here. In the dramatic conclusion of Edith Wharton's short story titled The Pelican, visiting with an old friend in her dressing room after her final lecture, give the name of the specific clear broth Mrs. Amyot was stirring in a cup when her grown son stepped in to confront her about a crucial matter.
Chicken broth.
Murphy, BC Rain? Buzz in if you know it. Murphy.
Vegetable broth.
No, sorry, BC Rain. No. Bouillon. That's what it was in the cup. No points. All right, time for a second toss-up of the match, so teams, hands on your buzzers. It's in Shakespeare. As soon as you think you know the answer, buzz in. Give the name of the character who Hamlet addresses with these lines from Act 1, Scene 5. There are more things in heaven and earth that are dreamt of in your philosophy. Seconds, teams. Murphy.
Hamlet.
No. BC Rain on the floor. It was Horatio. Horatio said that. No points on the toss-up. Back to a regular category now. Topic is physics. Back to Murphy. Give the name of the fundamental force of nature that varies directly as the product of the masses of two objects.
Gravity.
That's right, 4 points. BC Rain. State the name of the kind of radioactive decay that occurs when an electron is emitted from the nucleus of an unstable atom. Five seconds. LeFlore?
Half-life.
No. Murphy? No. Beta decay. Beta decay. LeFlore, your question. State the name given to the property of waves, whereby the direction of the wave changes as it passes from one medium to another.
Transfer.
Try again.
Diffusion.
Try again.
Transfusion.
Try again. Murphy?
Amplitude.
No. BC Rain? Refraction. Refraction was the answer. Topic is American government. Back to Murphy. In a democracy, public decision-making must be largely a matter of give and take among competing interests. Give the name of the concept of blending and adjusting competing views and interests.
Compromise.
That's right, 4 points. Compromise. All right, BC Rain. There are more than 190 states in the world. Each of them possesses all 4 characteristics of a state, including territory, sovereignty, and population. Give the name of the last characteristic of a state.
Nationality.
Try again.
Religion.
Try again. LeFlore.
A central government.
That's right, a government. 1 point. Here's an American government question now for LeFlore. Thomas Jefferson was greatly influenced by the treatises, the essays of this English philosopher who discussed the responsibilities of a government and claimed that the people have the right to overthrow an unjust government. Give me the first and last name of this philosopher.
John Locke.
Correct. 4 points. World history is the topic. To Murphy. On January 22nd, 1905, more than 1,000 workers and their families were killed or wounded by Russian soldiers when they approached the Winter Palace of Tsar Nicholas II, seeking better working conditions and more personal freedoms. This slaughter led to strikes and violence throughout Russia. Give the two-word name that Russians called this event.
The Red Scare?
Try again.
March Revolution.
Try again. Nope. BC Rain buzzed in early, so LeFlore.
The Peasant Revolution.
No, BC Rain.
Great Purge.
No, it was Bloody Sunday. Is the term. BC Rain. Here's your question. In World War I, the battle between the Germans and the Russians stretched along the border between the two countries. Along this line, Russians and Serbs battled against Germans, Austrians, and Turks. Give the name by which this region of fighting was known.
Eastern Front.
That's right, 4 points. LeFlore, your question. In January 1918, representatives of 32 countries gathered at the Palace of Versailles to work out the terms of peace for World War I. The issues that arose during this meeting took a year to be resolved. Give the complete name of this gathering.
The League of Nations.
Try again.
The United Nations.
Try again.
Treaty of Versailles.
Try again. BC Rain.
Unit Conference.
No, sorry. Murphy.
The Paris Peace Conference?
Yes, the Paris Peace Conference. 1 point. All right. Time for the last question in today's contest. It's a math question. It's a toss-up worth 4 points. Good luck, teams. Everyone open your white math envelopes now. Real numbers U, V, W have U plus 2V equals 15 and V plus 2W equals 15. What is the value of W if U equals 5? Murphy.
5?
5 is right. 4 points. Took 4 seconds to get 4 points. That's good. All right, our score, LeFlore with 15, BC Rain with 25. Today's winner, Murphy with 39 points. Congratulations.